Hey guys, it's Risa. Today we're going to be making eggs over medium with 2 extra large eggs. We just heated the pan in a medium heat with 1 teaspoon of, I can't believe it's not light butter. So we're just cracking the eggs. That's 1. And 2. And we're going to let it get nice and crispy on one side. I just want to say thank you so much for your lovely comments, for subscribing, and sharing with all your friends, family, Weight Watcher peeps, anybody on a health journey. So I'm not only making this, but I also made delicious chocolate orange brownies today. And check out my blueberry banana muffins. I have lots of different recipes that I've been making, and of course my tips and my new favorite gadgets, what's for dinner, and you can check out all of that for what's for lunch, what's for breakfast, and check out all my recipes. So we're just going to let this cook. I'm also making a couple of slices of toast with it. So this whole recipe for all of this food, and I'll probably add some fruit, will be only 2 smart points. I know, really good, right? So we're just letting it cook and getting it nice and crispy. And you can use any pan, any frying pan you want. Sometimes I use this, sometimes I use my rock grill, which I really love as well. And you can put lots more on it. And this is a great option for breakfast, brunch, lunch, a snack after a workout, because it's high protein. Eggs are a great source of protein, and they're nice and filling. So don't be in a rush to turn them over. Make sure they get nice and crispy. Just use like a little spatula to check underneath, and you'll see. And you can add a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper on top if you like. Move it around a little bit, check it, see how they're doing. Don't they look amazing? And you can use large or extra large eggs. I buy mine usually at Costco. I love the extra large ones. Starting to get nice and crispy on the outside. And shake the pan a little bit. And of course, be patient. And then get a larger spatula to flip them over quickly. And turn it right off. I turned it right off. And of course, you can make as many eggs as you want. And this is a great option for company or just for yourself. So here they are, super delicious. And thank you to my husband for helping me. He's the chef. And now I'm going to get my toast. Well, it's not ready yet. It would help if I put it on. But anyways, as you can see, I'm going to have my toast with it and probably some fruit. And again, don't forget, all my recipes are written under each video. Subscribe, ring the bell. You'll get all my newest recipes by email, of course. And check out my website, www.risaweiner.com, for lots of amazing recipes. And another hint, I'm making with apple and oatmeal and flour, some apple crisp soon. So lots of videos. And I hope this one helps you to make delicious and nutritious high protein eggs. Love you guys.